Miami, we are trying to make this fantasy character. Torso, a little bit we have done. Okay, one of our students have made so a torso, but we are gonna not see that part. After that, once you are done with, once you are done with, you can select the lower edges and extrude it. So there are many ways. I just use shift and drag, so it's extruded. Now you can see here we have some, you know, areas we need to adjust, because ultimately we are going to work. This character will be animating, so we should have proper segments so that it can work. We're gonna start with the lower end by making the lower end. So we're gonna deselect all these areas. Let's first fix some vertices like this. Okay. And go to the edge mode. Select these both edges. And start extruding to make shape like this. Okay. So simply click, drag, click, drag, click, drag. Remember to keep as minimum edges as possible. And we have two over here. This will be the center part, and then one, and then over there. So this should align this, and this should align this. And now on top we are gonna bind this thing. So this part is very crucial, because most of the time students get confused that how to make, the lower part and attach create. This I forgot to align it in front also. So let's align it in front, and this area will become the butt of the character. This vertices. Now let's weld. Go to select shift, merge vertex, merge to center. Here also shift, merge vertex, merge to center. Then shift, merge vertex, merge to center. So in this way we can merge the vertex and the area from where the leg is gonna extrude, that has been popped up. Now we are gonna arrange it properly, the vertices. So I'll go to the vertex mode, try to arrange it like this. And we want one more, segment, because ultimately this will be the joint area, so we don't have, too much of segments to play around with, and it will create problem while animation. So we are gonna add few segments over here, few edges. So let's see. I'm counting the edges right now. It has got 12, so I can start with a 12. What I can do is basically I can add extra. I can extrude leg from here also, and I can extrude separately also. For hands, I have shown that how to make separately and attach. For legs, I am making. Sorry, in hands, I have made from the body only, and for legs I am making it separately. Let's rearrange. I think you have to see the flow of the edges. The flow should be okay. At lower part you can see it's not okay right now, but during the time of, you know, when I attach the legs, I will correct that pose. So I'm trying to figure out from where to start. Should I add one more edge over here and drag from this part only, or you know, create the separate one? I'll just move forward where I started it finally. Okay, I have added, uh, two more edges. I'll speed up so that you can understand at twice the speed, and I'll explain because it's a 2-hour class, so it will not be feasible for you all. I hope it has started at twice the speed. What you can do is you can increase the speed also if you are not able to get. You can lower up the speed also, but it will be a pretty long video, so this is the reason I am speeding it up. I have taken a cylinder of 12 segments because I have counted my segments into the leg area, and I am adjusting the vertices according to that. So you can see I am trying to block first the whole leg, and then we'll add vertex according to that. I'll delete the top areas which I don't require, I can see, and selecting and simply deleting will work. Now shift select all this area, double click it and align it according to the vertex that I have. Okay, so this is the vertex that I have right now. I am not going for the proper position or proper shape right now because it has got at hips a different shape. I'm adding up the edges, you can see, and creating the structure. Basically I'll try to match the silhouette first and then I'll add the details. Just matching, because while character modeling, you have to make the character as close to as possible by the reference that have been given to you by your 3D or 2D artist or 2D production artist. So in this way you can add up edges. You can see it's looking good right now, and with this speed most probably we'll be able to finish up within half an hour only. That's a good thing. Now I'm trying to fix the edges that are there. And doing it at my best. There's too much of disturbance right now, so I'll just take a pause and we'll continue.